Hello Quorum software users. Today we're going to run through a handful of questions for our LOTS point of sale program. First up, how to set up retail and recommended retail pricing on our labels. LOTS has two different types of labels, a goods label and a shelf label. We can set up retail and recommended retail printing on our shelf labels. You first need to have this turned on within the LOTS options. With your options open, select here on pricing, and then in the middle, our prices on goods and shelf labels. We pop our little radio dial next to the retail and recommended retail option. We then go into our printer setup. Once in here, we click on the cog symbol that aligns with our shelf labels. This opens our shelf label layout. You've then got your retail and your recommended retail options. You can change how these appear on the label. You can type in whatever you'd like to call them. This then reflects on the label printout. Our next question, how to rename or remove account classes. In your LOT system, you can arrange your customers into different account classes. These can be called anything you like. As creating an account class is quite easy, sometimes you may end up with some account classes that are spelt incorrectly or need to get removed completely. To do this, we go from Tools and down to Set Discounts and Credit Limit by Class. When this option is selected, you can use the drop-down menu to open up to all of your classes and then simply either rename or delete the class as required. Our next question, how to set up auto-generated stock reports for lots each month. In your lots, you can set up an automated stock list and value report. This option does have a video on its own, so if you did need more details, please have a look for this video on our website. Otherwise, you click on stock list and value and then set your fields accordingly. Always recommend real cost and active stock as some basic options. Down the bottom, you can then select Save your selections once you're happy and ensure Enable Automatic Monthly Exports is ticked. This will then export the report each and every month to the Exported Reports folder on your LOTS master computer. How to set up using Nominate Supplier for price updates. The Nominate Supplier program does have its own training video, so please take a look on the website if you'd like some more details. A quick refresher is here on the desktop of your master computer is an icon called Nominate Supplier. In here is a list of all of the suppliers that we can send you price files for. As there are quite a lot of suppliers, please take your time and go through this full list. Once you have ticked the suppliers you'd like to receive the price files for, simply click on Save. Within the hour, these price files will download to your LOTS master computer. And our last question for today, what do flashing price updates mean? Over here on the right-hand side of any of your LOTS computers, you'll have flashing price updates. Some of our suppliers send us price updates twice a week, and others send us every 6 weeks or so. The flashing means that these are new price files ready for you to update. You don't have to update every file that comes in, as each one is a complete file. In your price updates module, the flashing files are these ones that appear as yellow, meaning they're a new file ready to be processed. Thank you for taking the time to run through these questions with me, and as always, if you do have any questions you'd like answered, please send them through to learning@quorum.com.au.